Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to set up your new installed HDD or SSD. So let's get started. First of all, search for disk partition. After that, press OK. Then head to your installed HDD or SSD. Right click on it. Create a new simple volume. Press next. Here you can leave it as it is, or you can specify how much storage you want from it, like you want to use from it. And here you can choose whatever letter you want. I will choose G for games and just keep it as it is. Press next. And here also keep it as it is. Command you to change the volume label name. I will type games. Press next. And here are the information that's going to be completed and built. Press on finish. Wait a little bit. And voila. Here you have it. Press on open, and here you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do whatever you want. See you in the next video. Peace out.